Neha Jagtap from Division G. Now we are seeing the program for appropriate age for voting. First, we are including the header files. In that, the library functions are stored. Then we are including the main function. Without main function, our program will not be executed. Hence, we are including the first main function int main. Then we are using a curly bracket. It is the start of main function. In that, we are using the int type of variable in which we are storing the age of users. Then we are using the clr_str function to clear the previous output screen. Then we are using a printf function to store the user's age given through the keyboard, and scanf function is used to give the age of user through the keyboard. Then we are to check the appropriate age for voting. We are using if else statements. In that, logical condition will be stored. If age of user is greater than or equal to 18 and less than or equal to 125, then congratulations, you are eligible for voting. This message will be displayed on output screen. If this condition will be false, then pointer move towards the else if statement, and then logical condition will be checked. If age of user will be less than 18 and greater than or equal to 0, then sorry, you are not eligible for voting. This message will be displayed on output screen. If both these two conditions will be false, then pointer move towards the else statement and message in else statement will be displayed on output screen. Your return age is invalid. Please check your age. This message will be displayed on output screen. And getCH function is used to hold the output screen, and then closing curly bracket will be including for the end of our program. Let's see how our program will work. Please enter your age. Now I will enter the age of 65. Congratulations, you are eligible for voting. This message will be displayed on output screen. Again, compile. I will enter the age of 158. Your written age is invalid. Please check your age. This message will be displayed when I will enter the age of 158. Again, I will enter the age of 6. Sorry, you are not eligible for voting. These messages will be displayed on output screen when users will enter their age through the keyboard. Thank you. Our program is over.